Welcome to Market Snapshot from the Incred Equities Desk. In this podcast, our expert from the Equities Research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty continued its range-bound and incremental streak. It opened on a flattish note, went a little lower, then there was a good recovery. It tried to cross into a strong positive territory, and then again there was a profit booking that was seen. Went till 150, 160 points lower, closing near the low point of the day. Same was the case with Bank Nifty. It was stronger compared to Nifty for a major part of the trading session. It was up 500 points at one point in time, and then there was a sudden fall and it fell to minus 500 points. So there was a 1,000-point fall that was witnessed in a matter of few minutes. Towards the trading session, though it closed on a negative note, there was a minor recovery that was seen. All in all, both the indices are trading in unexpected lines, as I've been seeing that both of them are trading in the range. Bank Nifty was really surprising because 51,000 was expected to be a good level, but that was decimated with relative ease. US markets closed 1% lower, slightly more than 1% lower. There was a small recovery, so at one point S&P Dow Jones were down more than 1.5%. There was a 0.5% recovery towards the trading session. However, GIFT Nifty is in no mood to give any sort of relief at this point. It is showing a fall of 175 points. Whether we open on such a strong negative note will be there to see, but the immediate supports now lie at 23,500, where a good amount of put writing has been seen. Also, when there is such incremental volatility, that is a sign of either a top being formed or a bottom being formed. So with this fall, and if it's witnessing some more volatility going forward, we may be forming a short-term base. I would not call this as a bottom, but a base from where we may see a bounce back can be seen. Again, this does not mean that one goes ahead and buys Nifty right away. 23,500, that has to be sustained, and then one can take a call. For Bank Nifty now, 50,000 is going to be the key support to watch out for. This has been a massive support in the last few months, so interesting times ahead for Bank Nifty as well. FI long short ratio stands at 85% short to 15% long, and this again is showing signs of the extremity. Generally, this ratio tilts towards 85 to 90 on the extreme end, meaning that 85 to 90% shorts for 15 to 10% longs. So once it goes towards 90% shorts, we may again see a bounce back sort of coming in. This generally helps in identifying short-term reversals. Does not mean that it's going to form a long-term bottom, but short-term reversals can be expected. FI has sold 1,900 crores worth in cash. Domestic bought around 2,200 crores worth in cash. So the selling continues, though the intensity is not as high as it was earlier, few days back. Nevertheless, even towards the end of the year, which generally is a muted period as far as FIs are concerned, even domestics are concerned, in such times, if you are seeing 2,000, 3,000 crores selling figure, that is a sign to take note of. Before winding up, as I said, even the sectors have seen participation on the lower end. Broader market is also under pressure. Overall, we are seeing profit booking. US markets, as we discussed earlier, they are reversing. Even the broader markets are witnessing pressure in line with the weekly report that was shared earlier. So do not be in a hurry to jump the bandwagon for buying Nifty or Bank Nifty. Let it sustain, let it give away a few hundred points on the upside, and then one can buy Bank Nifty for a few hundred points. and play for only bounce back toward the bottom. That will be all from my side. Thank you.
The securities and stocks quoted here are for illustration only and are not recommendatory. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.